welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to access and manage BitLocker on Windows 11. First, to access BitLocker, go to the Control panel and select System and Security. Click on BitLocker Drive Encryption to enter into BitLocker Drive Encryption panel. Here you can view all BitLocker drives' encryption status. To access BitLocker through Windows settings, press Win+I, and then go to System. Then About page. Slide to the bottom. In Related section, you can find BitLocker option there. Here's also an easier way to access to BitLocker. Type Manage BitLocker in the search box and then just press Enter. Then the BitLocker Drive Encryption panel will automatically pop up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.